Hello everyone, in this video we have been given x equal y minus z, y equal z minus w, z equal w minus x, x, y, z, w not equal 0. Now we are going to find the value of 100 into x divided by y plus y divided by z plus z divided by w plus w divided by x. Answer: x equal y minus z, y equal z minus w, z equal w minus x, y equal z minus w, then w equal z minus y, then w equal minus common, then minus into y minus z, y minus z equal x, then w equal minus x, y minus z equal x, then w equal minus x, z equal w minus x, then z equal minus x minus x, then z equal minus 2x, x equal y minus z, then y equal x plus z, then y equal x minus 2x, then y equal minus x. Therefore 100 into x divided by y plus y divided by z plus z divided by w plus w divided by x, then equal 100 into x divided by y equal minus x plus y equal minus x divided by z equal minus 2x plus z equal minus 2x divided by w equal minus x plus w equal minus x divided by x, then equal 100 into x, x cancel, then 1 divided by minus 1 plus x, x cancel, then minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus x, x cancel, then minus 2 divided by minus 1 plus x, x cancel, then minus 1 divided by 1, then equal 100 into minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 2 minus 1. Then equal 100 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Then equal 100 into minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Then 1 divided by 2. Then equal 100 into 1 divided by 2. Then equal 50. Then 100 into x divided by y plus y divided by z plus z divided by w plus w divided by x equal 50. Thus, our answer hundred into x divided by y plus y divided by z plus z divided by w plus w divided by x equal 50.